लगता है सैलेड खा के ना इसीलिए लोग पतले हो जाते हैं. Hi everyone. So today we are going to make peanut masala. Peanut masala is not exactly the name. Basically peanuts का salad होगा. We have the peanuts here. तो हम इसका यूज करके सैलड बनाएंगे. बेसिकली कुछ नहीं करना है, वही रोस्ट करेंगे और उसके बाद we'll make something out of it. Let's go. हेलो गाइस, बहुत गर्मी है यार, बहुत गर्मी है.
Wow! Okay.
So we have made this peanut salad. आज मेरे पास डोरिटोस या फिर कोई भी तरीके के कुरकुरे नहीं थे, so I had this मोनाको बिस्किट जिसका मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ जब. Very basic salad.
One eternity later.
So I'm almost done now. Peanuts चबाते चबाते मेरे दांत दर्द हो गए. Like it's a exercise. मुझे लगता है सैलेड खा के ना इसीलिए लोग पतले हो जाते हैं. Like the jawline starts coming because इतना चबाना पड़ता है यार. You have to bite. I'll just share कि why I started this channel. I started this channel because I love creating, by the way. ठीक है? Yeah, I love creating content and I feel that I want to do something. I don't know if that's my calling or something like that, but I want to do something on YouTube.
लेकिन तू कर भी क्या सकता है यार?
मैं कर क्या सकता हूँ?
But I was not getting any good reason. I thought of making vlogs, but earlier I was not very confident of vlogging myself and all that because my stuff was not very aesthetic-y. For a long time I shifted to Gurgaon और मैंने literally एक 1 BHK लिया and this was a very cozy place and like cute place जैसा मैंने सोचा था and it turned out to be like कि मैं अब start कर सकती. Maybe I don't have any excuse now because the home is pretty and I have an iPhone, I have everything, and then things started working out. I also got a mic from my sister, as you know, if you have seen my last videos, and I have also recently started making salads, so that came out. So that's how I started doing the YouTube, and I think I am loving it since then. I love editing and I love the part that I am able to express myself, still able to do that, and I'm proud of that. And I hope this series, even if you're watching, if you're not watching, it is for me to reflect that how I am doing in my life. After like certain number of years, when I look back, I'll see this as my digital diary. It will be as my digital diary, and I can see how I was maybe 10 years later. God knows what all social media applications would be introduced then, but still I'll be loving this journey because I started. I take in मतलब जब जागो तब सवेरा, that kind of quote I believe in. So that's why I think even if you would like to, you should. You definitely should. I think if you're bored, if you have time for yourself, that doesn't mean I don't work. I do work and I take out time. I give like prioritize my time to my job, to my this work as well. And sometimes I do editing at 1 a.m. in the night, so that this is because I love to do that. It's not somebody who is pushing me to do that, and nobody is even giving me any money for that. So yeah, I'm also doing my job. I'm not promoting to anybody that you just leave your job and start doing this content creation thing. No, you have to have your job first, get your education, get your job. Like there's like very less probability of people succeeding in social media. Even I am doing just fine. But if you're watching my video and if you are still here listening to me, then this is a small message that you can start too. And it's just for the sake of recording yourself and like just looking at yourself after 5 years. You look at yourself and say that, oh, definitely you're going to be, you're going to be proud, I'm sure. So for that reason, you can do. If you don't want to do, if you don't want to do, don't do. But if you want to, you can. So yeah, and I love the salad making series. So I really felt that I should share this with the world. There might be someone who is struggling with the healthy diet kind of thing, and maybe struggling with roti dal chawal. Here I am for that. And I felt like when I started I only started to post about my home, some aesthetics, some cooking videos, some a day vlog, like this I started. But उसके बाद I felt कि मुझे cooking में ही ज़्यादा responses मिलने लगे. There was more reach in cooking videos. Then I started cooking, and then we, for a long format video, I started with the salad, officially like talking one. And uske baad I felt that this is something is really good, but I'm not categorizing myself into cooking videos because that takes a lot of effort and expertise, and I'm not in any expert in food business. Currently I'm not, I would say that, because I'm still learning. I'm not a chef, I'm just learning. And I do share this experience because I'm living alone, and there might be somewhere you also might be living alone and maybe you kind of relate with me, so that this video is for you. I think that was all my job here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm really so thankful and grateful that all of you have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It keeps me motivated a little bit. Like this video if you found anything interesting. Bye, see you next time.